Hello friends, my name is Rahane Sheetal Sanjay. My seminar topic name is cell signaling, cell surface receptor and significance of cell signaling. First of all, cell signaling. Cell signaling refers to how information or message moves inside of the cytoplasm of a cell. Signaling occurs in response to a ligand that binds to a specific receptor causing changes inside the cell. Cell signaling that leads to muscle contraction, changes in transcription, translation, changes in protein secretion and protein activity, apoptosis or a cell division. Hormone, neurotransmitters, environmental change result in changes within the cell itself that are mediated by a signal transduction, that is cell signaling. Steps of cell signaling: synthesis of signaling molecule, release of signaling molecule, transport of a signal to the target cell, detection and binding of signal by a specific receptor, changes due to a receptor, and complex signal signal removal and response termination. Stages of cell signaling. First stage is receptor activation, signaling molecule bind to the receptor. Then second, signal transduction and amplification. In this stage, activated receptors stimulate the sequence of transduction. Signal transduction pathway. It can also be used to amplify the signals. Third is cellular response. There are several different responses. Alter activity of one or more enzyme, alter structural protein function, change gene expressions, and transcription factor. Types of cell signaling. There are various different types of cell signaling. First, paracrine signaling. Second, autocrine signaling. Third, endocrine signaling. Fourth, direct contact signaling. Paracrine signaling. In paracrine signaling, the signaling molecule released by a cell only affects target cell in close approximately it. The conduction of an electric impulse from one nerve cell to the another nerve cell or from a nerve cell to muscle cell, inducing or inhibiting muscle contraction, occurs via paracrine signaling. In this diagram, paracrine signaling, there are presence of secretory cells, adjacent target cell. There are adjacent target cell presence of receptor. Then second is autocrine signaling. Cells respond to substance that they themselves release. Many growth factors act in the fashion and culture. Cells often secrete growth factor that stimulate their own growth and proliferation. This type of signaling is particularly common in tumor cells, many of which overproduce and release growth factors that stimulate inappropriate, unregulated proliferation of themselves as well as adjacent non-tumor cells. This process may lead to formation of tumor mass. In, in this diagram, autocrine signaling, presence of target sites on same cell. Their presence of extracellular signal, receptor, membrane attached signal. Direct signaling, a transfer of ions or molecule from one cell to a neighbor through pores in the membrane. These pores called as gap junction. This is the fast mode of cell to cell communication. Their presence of signaling cell, target cell, and their presence of receptor and membrane bound signal molecule. Endocrine signaling. In endocrine signaling, signaling molecule called hormone act target cell distance from their site of synthesis by cell of endocrine organ. In animal, an endocrine hormone usually is carried off blood from its site of release of its target. Types of cell signaling receptor. There are three general categories of a cell surface receptor: ion channel link receptor, G protein link receptor, and enzyme link receptor. First is ion channel link receptor. Ion channel link receptor bind to the ligand and open a channel through the membrane that allow two specific ions to pass through. To form a channel, this type of cell surface receptor has an extensive membrane spanning region. When a ligand binds to a extracellular region of the channels, there is a conformational changes in protein structure that allows ions such as sodium, calcium, magnesium, hydrogen to pass through it. Then second is G protein coupled receptor. G protein coupled receptor bind to a ligand and activate a membrane protein called a G protein. The activated G protein then interact with either an ion channel or enzyme in the membrane. Before the ligand bind the inactive G protein can bind to a site on a specific receptor. Once G protein bind to the receptor, the G protein changes shape, become active, and split into the different subunit. One of the both these subunit may able to activate other proteins as a result. This is the diagrammatic representation of G protein coupled receptor. Their presence of heteromeric G protein. When a signaling molecule binds to the G protein coupled receptor, the G protein alpha subunit exchanges GTP for GDP. Signaling molecule, the alpha subunit dissociates from beta and gamma subunit and triggers a cellular response. There, GTP is hydrolyzed to GDP and then they respond to the G coupled protein receptor. Enzyme link receptor. Enzyme link receptor are cell surface receptor with intracellular domains that associated with an enzyme. In some cases, the intracellular domain of their receptor itself is an enzyme. The other enzyme link receptor have a small intracellular domain that interact directly with an enzyme. When a ligand binds to the extracellular domain, a signal is transferred through the membrane, activating the enzyme. Activation of the enzyme sets off a chain of events within the cell that eventually leads to response. Why is cell signaling important? Cell signaling is an important fact of biological life. It allows cell to perceive and respond to the extracellular environment, allowing development, growth, immunity, etc. Additionally, errors in cell signaling may result in cancer, growth, and diabetes. The inducer does not diffuse of the cell producing its. What is the function of signaling? The transfer of signaling molecule transmit the current state of the cell to its neighbor. This allows a group of cells to coordinate their response to signal that only one them may be received. In plant, there are plasmodesmata between almost all cells, making the entire plant into one giant network. Thank you.